Stream. All right. Good morning, traders. It's 9:55 on the East Coast. It's May 14, 2025. This is Joseph with Smart Money Traders. We are in looks like for a pretty active day today. A bit on the ES here. It looks like it wants to go lower. And before I get into my analysis, let me just say this is for educational purposes only. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell any futures contract or for foreign exchange contracts. Trading is risky, and make sure you're well capitalized and know what you're doing. With that said, let's see what we hear at ES. We're at a pivot point, 30-minute chart. That's I'm looking at this here. That's a pretty big bearish bar. Inventory overnight was kind of higher until we got to about 9 a.m. this morning. So could this be a test of those levels to go higher? It's very possible. But at the moment, we definitely want to be careful to buy or sell here because we had a pivot from the sell. We're still close to the top of the hour. So we definitely can see a big plunge down here toward 58.96 to see if they can get some people short and maybe reverse it then. With that said, I'm gonna stay away from that. Right before I got on live here on YouTube, about 211.70 on the LE. I wanted to go long, but to me, basically I waited a little too long here. So right now we gotta wait. We gotta wait to go long LE here with some kind of pullback toward the VWAP, which is at 211.70. Okay, internals on each is all red. So that's another thing we gotta keep in mind. Yes, definitely looks like it wants to go lower. So at the moment, but we got a support zone here. Will we go lower or not? So we got 3 minutes to the top of the hour. 2 minutes now. So let's find out what's next. I'm just gonna be observing right now. Just watch what the market does. Now we're seeing a little push up on the ES. That could be people taking the profit, after the big run to the downside. Now people are closing out the position. That could be that. We're looking at 59.09 about the VWAP for ES. So if we get back there, we may see some kind of push down. All right. We're above VWAP here on ES. All right. Top middle LE here is giving us the pullback that we wanted. So let's see if we can get a pullback. Yes, ES just hit the VWAP here and start going lower. Let's see. Can try a short down here. Let's see here. This market wants to go higher at the moment. Not really news today. Yes, we might try this short here. Let's see. Taking some heat on this short here, but we got first target got hit after taking a little bit of hit here. Well, where can we go here? All right. A second target got taken out. Second contract got taken out. A little bit of profit, 3 ticks in profit, and we got 10 ticks on the first one. Timing is everything. Look at this. Look at how they're going higher now. So we'll take the small win here. They went and hit the VWAP again, and they're turning around. At this point, they want to move this market higher. It's a matter of time here. Because the sellers definitely are losing grip on this market here. See if we can move higher. Just cancel that because it's right at the VWAP. Okay, definitely what could have been a winner here. Because we're right here. So now we'll probably wait for a pullback. Let's see what LE is doing. Yes, here we need a pullback. Probably 209. We need some kind of pullback here to go higher. Or is this a push down? This doesn't look like a pullback. It looks a complete push down trying to make a new low here. I think we should try a short here again. This looks like pullback action. See if stop down here. Okay. See if we can get to that first target here. That first target got hit. Can we have a nice runner here? So it's at 87, 88.50. Got taken out here. So the second target got taken out. And second contract got taken out. Well, looks like we want to go lower again here. Or are we doing this? We just do a stop run here at the lows, then push it higher. That's a possibility as well. Yeah, possibility here. Yeah. It's going higher here. It's a matter of can we get a pullback to go higher with it. Not pushing down again. Okay, long might be in order here. Let's see. Okay, 95. First target got hit here. Get something really sick. They're gonna get tag us out again at break even here in the second contract. We'll take those first target trades better than losses. Three over 10.19. Market still kind of in flux. Step away from ES for a second. Let's look at LE. On the top here is kind of pointing down like ES is at the moment. Yeah, I'm gonna step away from my desk for a second here. I'm back. Nothing really much happened. Still on the VWAP, huh? Wow, looks like we're pushing higher here. LE pushing higher. There was no more pullback on LE here that I missed. That's what it is. Good morning, YouTube. And if you're watching on YouTube, thank you so much for being here. As a recap, we already took, traded ES today. We took 3 trades, and they were all, fortunate enough, they were all winners. Got a short here. First contract. First target got hit. Second contract was hidden profit. Same thing happened here. First contract, first target. We got an entry here long. First target got hit. And also the second contract got hit at break even. So right now, it definitely looks like this market wants to go higher. So if that's what it wants to do, that's how he wants to play, we're going to play that. Waiting for a pullback here, maybe to engage long. They may come back and let me know in the chat how things are going for you if you're trading. Definitely looks like moving higher here. Right here could be a place to go long. Maybe not. Lower here. I think we might be in here for, let's see. We're pushing higher here. Took some heat here. Let's see. Well. Doesn't look too good here. Looks like it may come back down here and tag us out. 5.25. Give it up. Give it a couple more ticks here. 550 should be support here. Yeah. Looks like they're gonna come and get us. Yeah. Looks like buyers are stepping in, but they're being pushed down here by the sellers. Kind of hitting the POC, which is 59.08. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get taken out here. There you go. And that's right here. Alright, got taken out. Well, basically that's one loss here. Kind of got us back almost to break even. That's the thing here. Yeah, so I would have been surprised to see a push up here on ES. I wouldn't be surprised. Also, they may go lower. So I'm going to keep a powder dry here for the moment. Exactly wants to go. Let's push higher here. But yeah, this is the frustrating part with trading, you know. We were direction-wise, hey, just a little, we bought right here. We survive all this until we come back and tag us out over here. Now they're going the way that we thought they were going to go. So what we got to do is wait for a pullback here and see if we can participate in this. Okay, seeing some selling coming in here now. See if we can buy stuff here. Probably try to drop it right there, 11.75. Put it at break even here. Okay. They come back and tag us out here, that's fine. 75 maybe. Let's see. Let's just 10.7. So we don't get tagged out for one tick or two. See what they do. They come back here, play around. We get this push up here. Maybe not. So we're seeing only 4 ticks here. So yeah, there you go. See if we can do 12 to go along here. Let's see what happens. This is probably my last trade for the day here. We'll lose or draw. So right now we got 2 losses and 3 wins. Okay. Looks like this is going to be a loss. Wrap up the stream either way. Win, lose, or draw, like I said. Alright, got taken out. Alright then. So, it is what it is. Today will be a losing day. We'll get back at it probably tomorrow. I think tomorrow I may not stream. I'll let you guys know. But, because I might have to go on a little wood trip. So, we'll see what happens. You guys have a good one. Take care. And God bless. Bye-bye. See you guys tomorrow.